Barriers, Pro-powerflushing, telephone number 07836 353 985. We're doing quite a large job, property in Warrington today. System's a sealed system, system boiler, Valent 637, 26 radiators, 3 underfloor heating circuits. So it's quite a big job. We're going to flush the underfloor heating circuit completely separate, hence we're getting another machine out to do that. And we're going to flush all the system, get it all nice and clean. The customer's got some cold, cooler radiators at the end of the property, basically, probably just probably running out of steam. So we're flushing all the rust and corrosion out of the central heating system. We've got the actual double, we've got the heater on there and we've got the magnet on there. That's quite a new piece of equipment for us, so we're trying it out today. It looks pretty good. The water's circulating around through there pretty good. The magnets catching, items, metal, rust and corrosion, and the heater is just getting some warmth into the system to help the chemical work better, a bit like washing your dishes basically. So we've hooked into the system, we'll show you. So we've hooked into the flow and return. We're going to flush the boiler independently, drain down. We're going to flush the heating circuit completely separate as well. So my name's Barry Ayres. I'm a fully gas safe registered engineer. This is what we do day in, day out. We powerflush central heating systems to BS 7593 standard. We actually believe we're one of the best powerflush companies in the country. We've just done too many powerflushes to not know what we're doing. We only use the best equipment and chemicals, being the Chemco range primarily for our powerflush. In service we have got another machine, a Pro-flush here, but we generally use the Chemco machines for most of our work. Very powerful machines, good flow rates, and they're just bulletproof central heating powerflush machines, basically. Going to get the FX2 chemical through there, give it a really good clean up with that, and we're going to put basically probably 4 litres of inhibitor in here later on, just to sort of overdose it with inhibitor, just so it's very fully protected against further rust and corrosion. Okay, our prices are up to 50% cheaper than the major utility companies, and I think you know what we're talking about. This is going to be a long job today. We've got 26 radiators. We're going to be a long time basically today, probably when it's going to be getting dark later, to be honest. It's November now, 2021, and it's going to be a long job. But it's going to be a long job because we want to do the job 100% properly. We don't cut any corners. We do it the awkward way. You can see what we've done. We've drained down, cut the pipes. The customer's having a filter fitted as well later on. Okay, so the job is done 100% properly. Okay, the areas we cover, we basically cover a 60 to 70 mile radius of our hometown. We're based in Bramwell, Stockport, Manchester. I will cover 60 or 70 mile radius of our hometown. That's basically Cheshire, Lancashire, parts of Yorkshire, parts of Stafford, parts of Derby for our powerflushing service. We're in Stoke-on-Trent tomorrow, in fact. So you will receive a certificate stating the powerflush has been done, and it's been done correctly with the pH TDS readings before, after and during the power flush. Okay, this is all okay with your service provider, whether it be British Gas, HomeServe, Eon, Corgi, etc. All okay with the major utility company service providers. Okay, so you're going to get the best power flush in the country. You're going to save a lot of money, and your heating system is going to be revived later on. We sometimes go to systems that are completely broken down through the rust and corrosion in the system. The boilers now, they've got small plate heat exchangers, they've got diverter valves, flow switches, pumps, etc. We go to many systems that are broken down because of the rust and corrosion that's in the central heating system. We believe this customer moved in 6 years ago and he's not even sure if it's ever had a power flush, hence him getting it done, and things like that. You can see the rust, the colour of the water is very rusty in here, so we're going to get that rust and corrosion out of the central heating system. Okay, power flushing is the best thing you can do to your central heating system. If you don't want a new boiler, get it power flush. We sometimes go to systems that are completely broken down, fully blocked, clogged, because there's so much rust and corrosion in the system. Engineers have been out, they've told the customer they need a new boiler, things like that. We've gone to new boilers that are 2 months old. They're broken down again because the system hasn't been power flushed. They've just had a new boiler. All the rust and corrosion from the old radiator circuit's gone through the boiler, blocked it up, clogged it up, boiler stopped working, you know. We've actually seen boilers written off because of this rust and corrosion, and we're not joking, we have. So yeah, get your system power flushed. If you don't want a new boiler, get it power flushed. More than likely to revive your central heating system. We're going to have lower gas energy bills. We're going to have a revived central heating system. Okay, so they're all the great things about power flushing. As long as it's done properly, which it is, you can see what we're doing here today. We're not messing about. We've got the best equipment and chemicals on there, and this is what we do. Okay. So, I've got a lot to do today, so I'll try and get back to you later if I get a bit of time, but if not, our telephone number is 07836 353 985, or you can contact us through our website, pro-powerflushing.co.uk. Alright, thank you. Hi Barry, it's Pro-powerflushing. Okay, this is the rust and metal and corrosion that's coming out of this system, yeah? And this is what power flushing is all about. There's not a great deal on here, to be honest, but nonetheless, we're not finished yet. We've got both machines up and running, doing on the floor circuit with the other machine there. That's what power flushing is all about, getting all that rust and corrosion out of the central heating system. Right, we're not going to make any more video today on this particular system. You know my details, you know the areas we cover, you know we do the job 100% properly. So I'm going to sign off now. We were in Warrington today, or we are still in Warrington, November 2021. Power flushing central heating systems throughout the northwest UK area. Pro power flushing. There you are. So, give me a call on telephone number 07836 353 985, or contact us through our website, pro-powerflushing.co.uk. Okay, thank you.